Hello everyone, my name's Paul Stewart and I'm the Vice President Clinical of the Academy of Medical Sciences, and a real pleasure to be leading on the COVID-19 career resource project that we've embarked on. The last time I posted something on the site was really to launch the scheme, and I thought it was timely to spend a couple of minutes reflecting on our achievements, but also thinking as we plan now to clearly what the next stage is. So as I look back, I think we've hopefully logged with you some really resourceful information, be it around challenging inequalities, advice on leading your research team, importantly, that whole issue of loneliness and social isolation and looking after yourself, stress and you know, addressing that kind of work stress, that kind of COVID balance. There's also some advice for those of you that went back on the clinical front line. And again, a big thank you to all of you that did so. It was very much appreciated. I do think I want to reassure you that in all of this, gathering universities, funders, and of course, many of you as early career researchers together, there is that sense that in here now we have that COVID-19 memory built into this that will be important, particularly in making sure we mitigate going forward on career trajectories. And so to the way forward, you know, we're entering another phase of this pandemic, as we see with the kind of second waves that's kicking off differently in different parts of the UK. And we still want to hear from you. We still want to hear where you think you need help, be it in the re-entry you've had back into research laboratories that we know is going ahead, or for those of you, the clinical trainees, you know, that daunting threat that you might be asked to return to the front line again once more. There's a very useful resource on the website which has come from the Clinical Academic Training Forum in terms of some of the real key principles on returning to the workplace in what might be, of course, regional specific differences coordinated by your postgraduate dean in partnership with the University Integrated Academic Training Leads. So still a long way in this journey. We still believe this site is helpful, judging by the hits and the feedback we're getting, but it needs to be driven by you. So do please keep sending in your ideas on how we can improve things and any other resources that you think you might need to draw on. For now, just a big thank you for me for all you're doing in what remain to be very challenging circumstances. I know it's really appreciated, and we're here to try and help you the best we can. Okay, thank you everyone.